Hello, my friends. I have here a new toilet seat, and I went to take this one off and put that one on. This one has got a crack in it, and it has been, I guess it pinches, okay? So there is a crack. I think there's a crack like right here, and it pinches. So anyways, this one has to come off. So I want to go ahead and show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and pop this up like that, just like so. Watch out. Let me get this toolbox here. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and take this. This is like a plastic thing. So under here, can you show them under? I need to. So under here, let's let you see what it looks like under here. So see this? It might go ahead and turn, but then yeah, it should be fine. So yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right. There we go, that dropped, so that should be good. But this job doesn't take very long. It shouldn't. If you have any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments below. And this is kind of a different toilet seat. So this one right here is like a closed or whatever. That one's open. So kind of switching over here. And it's the elongated, I believe, one. Supposedly, I guess that one will never get loose. Sometimes toilet seats may get loose. Is this thing spinning? Oh yeah, I gotta hold this one. So that one I was able to pretty much unscrew. This one I may need to actually hold the plastic piece underneath. Okay, there we go. All right, should come off. So that's the old one. Let's go ahead and a little bit of something there. Okay, that might be a chance for you to clean. So let's go ahead. This is what we want right here. So hopefully it will match up. Okay. Open this. So now some toilets may be put together different ways. This particular one, let's see here. Okay, so this one looks different than the old one. Let's go ahead and put this in. And put that in. And it looks like this just basically screws on underneath. Like so, okay? And it should be, so when it's on the other side, it may look like it shouldn't be able to come up. Okay, just go ahead, stick it on. I guess supposedly this one will not loosen up. So this one I may have to do more tightening like underneath to get it right. And I guess this thing right here, this plastic piece right here, this is probably what helps it. It probably pulls it in. And I guess it helps it probably to not get loose. Let me go ahead and put the other one on. It's probably the wider part, top. Let's go ahead and put this one on.
Here, can you, don't do it sideways, that way, do it sideways. Okay.
Okay.
Pull it out.
Okay.
Is the camera the right way?
All right. So this is not done yet. It's got some wobble. Here, move out of the way. So what I need to do is it's got to be brought down tighter. And I might need to get like a pair of pliers or a wrench or something to go ahead and pair of pliers might actually even work better. As long as I can do it by hand, it's probably better. All right, let's go ahead and start tightening it. You need to make sure it's kind of like lined up right, not like off at an angle, like when you really cinch it down, maybe. So let's go ahead and get this one. That'd be nice if the toilet seat doesn't get loose. So right now, it might be kind of pulling down that plasticky type stuff, like down in. And it's like kind of harder to turn it that way. Like if you're using your hands, it may not be, you may not even be able to use your fingers unless you're like Superman. So let's go ahead and okay. All right. That part actually broke off. There we go. So it shouldn't hurt it at all though. That was basically the piece to tighten it. And if someone need to tighten it more, there's a part up there, over there they should be able to grab. So, and I can still tighten it. Okay, so there we go. And there we go. Actually, maybe designed to pop off. Maybe that's when you know it's tight enough because it's like really thin there. So, all right. Okay, so there we go. It's pretty, this is nice because it doesn't really just kind of drop. See? That's kind of nice. Is that like the no slam lid? Wow, that's nice. Even if I like flick it, like, oh, bam, it finally hit. Wow, this is a nice one. Okay, so it seems pretty good. It's a good toilet seat. That's how you put it on, my friends. You like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, share all the good stuff. I love you all. You're amazing. Bye. I want to go ahead and show you, remember that nut that kind of sheared off? So basically that indicates the proper tightening torque. So let me go ahead and show you this. Just go ahead and pop this one off, bam. So there you go, my friends. Love you all, bye.